Hi everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I'm going to show you how to make this cute snow globe.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited to make this snow globe. You don't even know. So I got this snow globe from Dollar Tree, and I got this faux snow that I'm going to put in the globe. And I also got this glitter from Dollar Tree. And I also got this, which I'm hoping the whole thing fits on there. If not, I'm just going to use the two little carolers. This was also from the Dollar Tree. And then I got my baby oil, which I am going to put in my globe. Hopefully I have enough. All right, so see there's a sticker on the bottom of this. I'm probably going to want to get that off. All right. And here is your insert that's supposed to hold your baby oil in. Let's see if I can get that off. Oh, come on. Well, obviously, if I can't get it out very easy, it must hold, it's going to hold the baby oil in there pretty good. Oh, geez. Okay. So I finally got the little insert out. I'm going to take the directions out of here. All right. Set that aside. I already actually watched a video on somebody that made this, so I am going to just go ahead and do it. All right, so this is the piece right here that my little guys will sit on. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, I don't think it's all gonna fit. No, okay. So we're gonna have to take the little wishing well off. I'm sure I'll find use for that in a different project. So I'm gonna put my little carolers in there. All right, so I am going to actually hot glue them right on here. I'm gonna make sure I get a lot of hot glue on there because I want it to hold. It's okay if it gushes out the sides. All right, I got the lady on. I'm gonna put the guy on. Just hold them on there. All right, I think I got them on there pretty good. So you can see. And I did watch another video and somebody that made them, and they said that the hot glue, just the hot glue alone, held good. So I'm gonna set that aside, and then I am actually gonna go get a mug because I need something to sit this in so it doesn't fall over. So let me go grab that and we'll put the globe together. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I actually put my snow globe together and I dumped the baby oil in there, and I don't know if I put too much snow in there or too much glitter, but it did not work out. It would not settle, and I couldn't even see my little characters in my snow globe. So I have everything all cleaned up. I emptied everything out, cleaned the hot glue off the best that I could, and I'm going to attempt this again, but I think I'm going to use water this time, and I'm probably not going to use as much glitter or snow. So I'm just going to put a little bit in, and just a little bit of glitter because I think maybe the blue glitter was kind of blocking my little guys too. So I'm just going to put a little bit in. And then I am going to pour my water in and see what that looks like first before I go sealing everything up. So, stick that in. And I'm just going to chance it and just see real quick. what that looks like. Seems to be floating on the top. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I need a little bit more water in there. It seems like it's sticking to my guys too. All right, so I'm gonna try to take this back out. I don't know that I want any more snow in there. I think I actually have enough. I think you just need really just a little bit. But I think I do want to put just a little bit more blue glitter in there. All right, and then maybe just a little bit of water. I think I may have even put too much snow in there because I really don't think you need that much. Maybe if I just try to take a little bit out. In the directions, it does not tell you how much of this stuff to put in there. I guess it's all kind of a guessing game. All right, I think I'm gonna go with that. Now I'm just being honest with you guys here. The first time did not work out well. So hopefully I have this cleaned enough too so that it's gonna seal decent. Because I was so excited about this project and I have had nothing but issues tonight. This is my second video that I'm doing and all right, I'm just gonna take a look. Well, I think that definitely looks a lot better. I don't know why all my snowflakes are sticking to my guys though. Maybe because I had the baby oil on there, or maybe there's just still too much snow in there. That could be too, because it all seems to be clumping. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, I think, and I'm gonna take a little bit more of this snow out of here. Ugh, I wish I had a spoon right now. It was only supposed to take a small amount of time. Now I seem to have glitter and snow and stuff everywhere. Well, I guess that's why I'm doing this video. I make the mistake and then you guys don't do it when you make your video or when you make your project. All right, I took some of the snow out, but I think I'm gonna put a little more glitter in there. And let's try that. Well, it seems like all my glitter is sticking to the people. That really could be from the baby oil. I'm not sure. Let's just shake it up really good. All right. All the glitter is stuck to my people. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just take some soap and water and get some of that glitter off and see if that doesn't help. Okay, I cleaned up my guys and put some dish soap on there, so I'm hoping that the glitter isn't gonna stick to there. All right. Well, I would definitely have to say that's looking a lot better already. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to use, for one, not a lot of snowflakes or glitter, and I would definitely use water. I'm just gonna put just a tad bit more water in there. And stick my people back in there. Seems, oh, too much water. Well, it seems to seal pretty good. I'm gonna have to go get a paper towel, but when you shake it, it seems to stay in pretty good, but I think I'm still gonna have to put the hot glue around it. Okay, I'm back. I had to take a little bit of water out of the globe, but we're all good now. You just gotta have at least a little bit at the top here. But it looks like I have about the right amount of snow and my blue glitter. I think it looks good. All right, so I am going to attempt to This did not work good the first time I tried to do it. But put the glue, hot glue, now that I have a huge mess here too, around the edge of this and then screw the top on. So I'm gonna try to go fast, obviously, but all right. And then try to screw it on. All right. And then I think I have it. All right. It's kind of weird though. It seems like all the snow goes to the top. I thought the snow was supposed to settle on the bottom. But nonetheless, I think it looks pretty good. All right, so then all I have left is to decorate it, which I think, let's see, I have some of this jewel, these diamond adhesive from the Dollar Tree. I think I'm just gonna stick that around the bottom here. I'm assuming this is gonna stick good to this. I don't know. Now I have like baby oil and water and everything all around here. So hopefully all these mistakes that I made making your snow globe, you don't make. Just gonna put that around here. Oh, this has been quite the night, let me tell you. I thought these snow globes are so easy to do. It'll take me no time at all. And then, yeah, surprise. Nothing but problems. All right. Well, I think that looks pretty cute there. I do have some of this stuff, which I don't know. I think that might not look bad. Kind of cover up the top of this right here, which I was thinking about hot gluing anyways, just to make sure that nothing's leaking. So let's go ahead. Yeah, and I plan on making these. Me and my daughter are gonna make them for the grandkids. We bought some little characters, Buzz Lightyear and some other ones that we're going to put in there for them. So I guess good thing I'm testing it out first so we don't make any mistakes when we make those. I don't know. I watched other people do these and do the videos, and they didn't seem to have any problems whatsoever. I just seem to have lots of problems making mine. So obviously now my project is way cheaper, or would have been way cheaper, if you just use the water and don't get the baby oil. Keep putting it around. All right, I'm gonna snip it off here then. All right, and I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. I think it turned out pretty good. Took me way longer than 5 minutes to make it like everybody else, but I think it turned out pretty cute. Well, thanks for watching, and I really hope that you take my advice so that you don't screw your snow globes up. Take care. I hope you enjoyed my video, maybe found it humorous. I don't know. But take care and subscribe. Thanks.